A minus B, that is the surplus, 1,74,913. This goes 93,806. So first we have to prepare the schedule. According to schedule, you have put the format. Once you make the provision for taxation, that should be deducted from provision for schedule number 11, cash and bank balance. Cash and bank balance as per the trial balance is 2,01,738. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Today, I am going to hand session number 7, Corporate Accounting to 4th semester BCom in favor of Accounting for General Insurance Company. Today, in this session, I am going to solve revenue account and a balance sheet. First, we have to prepare the revenue account. Then you have to prepare the balance sheet. So, what are the contents of the revenue account? So, there are 4 contents are there. One is the premium. Second is the claim. Third is the commission. Fourth is the operating expense. How the format goes for premium? Premium minus less insurance premium, add outstanding premium of the current year, premium of the last year, that becomes the net premium, add opening reserve for unexpiries, add opening additional reserve minus closing reserve for unexpiries, 50% in case of fire, 100% in case of marine, and closing additional reserve. Then claims paid, add outstanding claims of the current year, claims of the last year, minus recoveries. Commission paid, accepted should be added, ceded should be deducted. Next, fourth, in operating expenses, management expenses, legal expenses, and depreciation. So, income is premium deducted, it may be surplus or deficit. Regarding the balance sheet, we have the perfect schedules are there that goes like this. First one, schedule number 5, share capital. Schedule number 6, reserve and surplus. Schedule number 7, borrowings. Schedule number 8, investment. Schedule number 9, loans. Schedule number 10, fixed asset. Schedule number 11, cash and bank balances. Schedule number 12, advances and other assets. Schedule number 13, current liabilities. Schedule number 14, provision. Schedule number 15, miscellaneous expenses and losses. So it will go like this. So we'll move on to problem now. The following particulars are Popular Insurance Company Limited. Prepare revenue account of fire and marine business separately and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March and a balance sheet as on the date of a new company. So they have given the trial balance, particular rupees and rupees is given. So debit side shows expenses, credit side shows the income. Debit side shows the asset, credit side shows the liability. So we'll move on. Then claims admitted but not paid is outstanding to be paid. This will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Due to reinsurers, which we have to pay on the claims admitted but not paid. We are not yet paid. Due to reinsurers, which we have to pay. Premium received, which will come schedule number 1. Creditor will come liability side of the balance sheet. Investment asset side of the balance sheet. Building asset side of the balance sheet. Agent balance debit side asset, credit side liability. Debtor asset side of the balance sheet. Interest and dividend received is interest and dividend comes from the profit and loss account. Income tax thereon should be deducted. Other receipts is income. Claims paid and outstanding. So this is nothing but a claim that will come schedule number 2. Expense of management schedule number 4. Commission schedule number 3. This is a paid revenue account. Interest asset side of the balance sheet. Furniture asset side of the balance sheet. Preliminary expenses asset side of the balance sheet schedule number 15. Cash at bank balance schedule number 11. Asset side of the balance sheet. So premium outstanding, all adjustments should appear twice. Premium outstanding, add to premium, that is schedule number 1. Then asset side of the balance sheet. Taxation provision for taxation, we have to do that. Once you make the provision for taxation, that should be deducted from provision for taxation. Provision for unexpired risk on 50% on marine, 40% of the provide 1,000 fund survey expense marine insurance. Add to marine insurance and it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. We'll move on. So whatever the premium received is 8,59,960. Add premium outstanding, that is from the adjustment that should be added. Add reserve for unexpired risk at the beginning of the year should be added to this. Add reserve for unexpired risk at the end of the year. 50% for marine and 40% for fire. They have say, see that in the adjustment. 50% for marine and 40% for fire. On this net premium, add premium outstanding. 50% of this will come 4,30,380. 40% of this will work out 1,42,847. If we deduct the balance is 6,43,000, 3,27,651. So it will go like this. Format is very, very careful format you have to do. Premium received, add premium outstanding from the adjustment. This is the net premium. Add, this is the net. Add reserve for unexpired risk at the beginning of the year should be added. Add reserve for unexpired risk, 50% of this, 40% of this as per the problems are considered. The premium available at the end is 6,43,000 is 3,27,651. Then schedule number 2 will go with claims. Claims paid and outstanding 2,51,500. Add out survey expenses in case of marine should be added. This should become. Then schedule number 3, commission. Commission paid as per the problem 62,857. Then for 34,921, no adjustment is given. Regarding the operating expenses, this is schedule number 4, operating expenses. Management expenses 1,42,218 in case of marine, 96,512 in case of fire is given. Then you put it to format. Premium net 6,43,000, fire 3,27,651. The total is this is. Then regarding the expenditure, we have come back here. Commission schedule number 2, 2,63,12, 102,412. Then first is the claim, second is the commission is the 3. First claim is how much? 2,63,12, 102,412 as per the schedule. Then regarding the commission, 62,857, 34,921. Insurance, this is operating expenses, 1,42,218, 96. So this goes one side operating up. This is the total expenses B. A minus B, that is the surplus, 1,74,913. This goes 93,806. So first we have to prepare the schedule. According to schedule, you have put the format. Then we'll go to balance sheet. Now, then they ask the profit and loss account. As per the fire and marine insurance, the incomes are in case of marine 1,74,000, in case of fire 95. No, the total income is 2,68,719. Add interest and dividend should be added. Other income, other receipts should be added. The total will come 2,89,038. In that, profit before taxation, that provision for this is from adjustment should be deducted. The balance carried forward is 2,87,038. That goes to balance sheet. Then we'll go with the schedule number balance sheet. Schedule number 5, share capital. 4 lakh as per the problem. Schedule number 6, reserve and surplus. This is the surplus 2,87,038. Schedule number 7, we have got borrowings are there. There is no borrowings at all. Schedule number 8, investment. As per the problem, investment is 5,06,980. Here, schedule number 9 is there. Borrowings are there. Here, schedule number 9, loans are there. Schedule number 5, share capital. Schedule number 6, reserve and surplus. Schedule number 7, we have got borrowings. Schedule number 8, investment. Schedule number 9, loans. There is no loans are there. Schedule number 10, fixed asset. One is the building, one is the furniture. If we make the total, it is 4,59,777. Schedule number 11, cash and bank balance. Cash and bank balance as per the trial balance is 2,01,738. Schedule number 12, advances and other assets, almost current assets are there. Income tax deducted and interest and dividend. Debtor is a current asset. Agent balance, debit side current asset, credit side current liability. Then interest accrued is an asset. Outstanding premium which we have to receive is a current asset. Totally it will come 71,062. Then schedule number 13, current liability which we have to pay due to reinsurance. Totally we have to pay 6614. Claims admitted but not yet paid is outstanding which we have to pay 14,428. Creditor, we have to pay outstanding survey expense. Totally we have to pay 67,504 as a current liability. Then move on. Reserve for unexpired risk. At the end, we keep aside 4,30,000 is 50%, is 40%. Total amount kept aside is 5,73,227. Add provision for, this is provision for taxation. We keep aside plus it becomes 5,75,227. Then miscellaneous expenses that will come, preliminary expenses is 90,212 as per the problem. Then come back to balance sheet. Schedule number 5, share capital 4 lakh. Schedule number 6, 2,87,788. 5 is there. There is no schedule number 7. Schedule number 8, investment 506,980. Schedule number 10, fixed asset. We have got office, furniture and building. It will come 4,59,777. Then current asset, cash. Schedule number 11, 2,01,738. Schedule number 12, advance other asset, 71,062. Current liabilities, this is we have to pay. Provision which we have to pay. So miscellaneous is nothing but preliminary expense. It work out how much? 90,222. So it will tally for 6,87,038. This is a total source. So it will tally for 6,87,038. I will repeat. So here what we have go, some of the adjustments, some of the trial balance item, that if the outstanding premium is at the end of the year is given directly asset set of the balance sheet, if the outstanding premium given the adjustment, add to premium, then asset set of the balance sheet. If the outstanding claim is given in the trial balance, if the date is not mentioned directly on the liability side of the balance sheet, if the outstanding claim is given in the adjustment, this should be active claim, then liability side of the balance sheet. The schedule should be very, very careful. Balance sheet schedule goes like this: share capital 5, reserve and 6. Then we have got borrowing schedule number 7. Then schedule number 8 is investment. Schedule number 9 is loans. Schedule number 10 is fixed asset. Schedule number 11, cash and bank balances. Schedule number 12, advance and other asset. Schedule number 13, current liabilities. Schedule number 14, you have got provision. Schedule number 15 is the miscellaneous expenses and losses. Regarding the revenue account, schedule number 1 is the premium. Schedule number 2 is the claim. Schedule number 3 is the commission. Schedule number 4 is the operating expense. What are the items that comes under premium? Premium received minus reinsurance premium, add outstanding premium of the current year, premium of the last year. The difference is the net premium. Add opening reserve for unexpired risk, add opening additional reserve, minus closing reserve for unexpired risk, minus closing additional reserve. Regarding the claims, now schedule number 2, claims paid, add outstanding claims of the current year, minus claims of the last year, minus reinsurance recoveries. Regarding the commission, commission paid, add commission accepted should be added, commission ceded should be deducted. Regarding the operating expenses, you have got management expenses, legal expenses, then we have got a depreciation, all these items. Then revenue account, then we go to the balance sheet. Some of the items directly go to the balance sheet asset side, some of the item adjustment, the items in the trial balance should appear twice. Items in the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. This is most important. The items in the trial balance should appear only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. So you must be very, very careful about this, about the preparing of the balance sheet. No, the items in the trial balance should come only once. The items in the adjustment should appear twice. And regarding the schedule, you must be very, very careful about the schedule. Share capital schedule number 5. 6 is the reserve and surplus. Borrowings are there, schedule number 7. Schedule number 8, investment. Schedule number 9, loans. Schedule number 10, fixed asset. Schedule number cash and bank balances. Schedule number 12, advance and other assets. Schedule number 13, current liability. Schedule number 14, provision. Schedule number 16, miscellaneous. 15, miscellaneous expenses and losses. That schedule you have to review. So first you have to learn the schedule of revenue account, then you have to learn the schedule of balance sheet and fill the format. That's all. Problems are very easy. Direct question they are going to ask, which are the asset, which are the liability. You have to, some of the item directly go to balance sheet, some of the item goes to revenue account, then it will come to the balance sheet. So hope you understand. This is a problem. We have solved the revenue account as well as the balance sheet. In the next session, we'll go to the life insurance company. First, we'll solve the problem of 10 marks. Then we solve the problems of revenue account and the balance sheet. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.